Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Find the relative row position of the last verified name. How are we going to do this? It's straightforward. We're going to use this max verified. We're tearing rows down, and then we're going to just find the max. We're going to find the max of based on our rows. Here we have this max if, so we have an if statement, logical test. We have an array. What is it? Verified 282 equals E4. E4. Basically, we're finding the last Steve. Where? Value if. Here. We're going to find a row, and we're going to subtract the min row. Then we're going to add 1. We're doing an expanding row. In the end, that's what we're doing. Then we're just going to add 1. We need to count. We need to count. So we have to find E4, whatever that row is. That's it. That's really the simplest way to do it. Let me just break it down. Here we have row verified 282. Here's the formula. I'm going to go from right to left. Min. We're just finding the row. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we're going to need to convert that over into a relative. Relative, okay? Otherwise, we're going to be strung along. Then we're going to take, we have min, now we have min row, so the minimum row. Then what are we going to do? We're going to take row, which is what we just did, which is going to be 5 minus 5 equals what? 0. Because we're trying to find the relative row. We're trying to count this stuff here based on our list. We're just going to add 1 to it. 1. Max. Go down this list and find, this is supposed to say plus 1. We're going to get, well, whoever this is, Mike. Remember, we're in F9, and we're using a name range verified 282. Sorry, didn't bring that to your attention. Here, we're going to find the last Mike, and it's 9. If we want to break this thing down into the logical side, we have F9. We're looking for the true. Value of true, F9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look for true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is, right there. There's the true. If there's multiple, you see there's 2 mics, we want the max. Here, if we go to the if, F9, here we're going to go, where's the max? 9's the max, and that's the answer. Now, the question that's posed from time to time is, why is this plus 1? If you put 0 there, we're going to be miscounting. This will now be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're going to miscount. Our number is going to be offset by, based on our, what we thought were relative rows, were not. Be careful, and then if you go plus 2, it's going to advance 1, and your numbers are going to be off. Over here is our narrative. Read it. I kind of translated some of it. A few tips in there that you want to, review. Control-Shift-Enter for older versions of Excel, and then here's our map. Review it and implement it as necessary. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.